Hey, how's it going everyone? In this short video, we'll be installing the LASFIT Pro LED headlight bulbs on Phil's 2017 4Runner TRD Off-Road. LASFIT sent me their awesome Pro LED kit. Let's review the techie stuff together, shall we? 50 watt, 5000 lumens per bulb, that's a ton. High-tech dual fans, easily the most interesting feature on this kit. Direct plug and play, 6000K temperature, a lifespan of 30,000 hours, probably from the dual fans, IP67 water and dust seal, dual ball bearing fans, and dust cap cooling. We first start with removing the tired old bulbs that Phil had in there, along with the old ballast and the old dust cover. Check out the old setup with the heat soaks. I'm sure they're fine, and in Phil's case these still had some decent life in them. So with the passenger side down, we move to the driver's side. While Phil works on removing the old bulbs, for those who are interested, here's a quick rundown on Phil's 2017 4Runner TRD Off-Road. Okay, so plug and play is true, but we ran into an issue installing a driver's side bulb. We weren't getting any power into the bulb, even flipping the harness around didn't help. But with a little troubleshooting, we noticed the tiniest issue. One of the pins was slightly bent. And with the help of some pliers, we were able to get it back into shape. And we were in business. Take a listen to those dual fans running. Nice, crisp, and strong white is projected from these bulbs. A very easy and straightforward install on a product that offers so many advantages. So if any of you are interested in trying these out for yourselves, I'll leave a link down in the description. I really like the way these bulbs turned out, so thank you LASFIT. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching and consider subscribing.